Well, the county's stay-at-home order has forced a lot of the folks with CASA to make some big changes. CASA is a court-appointed special advocates of the Coastal Bend. They're the folks who work with children who are in the court system, and they're now doing their outreaches online. And volunteers say the lack of a physical connection with the kids can be really challenging. And as Jeremiah Marshall reports, that's why proper training is really crucial right now.
You know, they say that the show must go on, and for our volunteers and for our organization, the protection and the advocacy for our children has to go on.
CASA of the Coastal Bend serves over 400 children in Nueces and Aransas counties. The organization has come up with an emergency health crisis plan to protect their staff, volunteers, and children. This involves going virtual.
Our volunteers will be able to Zoom in for their court cases. We're asking them to call their children twice a week, do FaceTime if they have the ability to do FaceTime or some sort of video chat, phone to phone, or Zoom capabilities.
However, staff says going remote brings challenges. Due to COVID-19, volunteers can't get to the next child court case as quickly.
We're probably going to see an upshoot of children in the system based on the uncertainty in the world. Everybody's home now. There's no school. You know, people have lost their jobs. Stress levels are going to go up. We're preparing for that.
CASA Director Paige Hall says the organization wouldn't be possible without their volunteers, so it's important for them to become familiar with going remote.
It's not the same having a phone conversation with a child as it is, you know, in the home where you're able to eyeball them and know what's going on and, you know, really get a good feel for how they're doing in the foster home or how they're doing in their home if they've gone home.
Jeremiah Marshall, Chris 6 News.
CASA staff members held their first virtual meeting for training today, and